Hi guys, Natalie at Shoes of Hollywood again. Unboxing another pleaser. This one is called the Moon-709. It is a black 7-inch heel and it's got a beautiful red heart in the center of it. I'm excited to show you. I hope you can hear me. It is windy today, but it's also really nice because it's hot, so it's great. And we'll see how we go. Alright. Cool. Alright, there's the shoe. Check it out. Beautiful shiny black. And that Rhinestone heart is, oh, it's to die for. Like all the other pleasers, it's got a gorgeous sole. It's nice and soft and cushioned. It's amazing. These shoes are actually going to be, these are actually a size 6. I'm size 7 normally, so we're going to put them on to see how they feel. Today I've tried on a few different sizes. I've tried on 7s, I've tried on 8s. So hopefully they'll be alright. We'll see how we go. Oh yeah, not too bad. I'm lucky to have a nice and skinny little foot, so if you've got skinny foot, you can probably fit into a whole lot different range of shoes. But yeah, it's always great to come into a store to try on your shoe, just to avoid all the huffle of them not fitting right. And that way you get to experience the whole thing and you get to see every shoe available, and it's a lot of fun. Make a day out of it. Already they're really comfortable. I am sitting down, but we'll see what happens. Gonna go for a walk. Every time you walk up, make sure you hold onto the rails. Take good care of yourself. It's still comfy. All good. These are great. But yeah, they're a little bit too small and I'm still feeling really confident in them. It's a really good sign about how these shoes are made. obstacle here for us. Always remember to make sure you hold the rail. When the stairs are really small, you need to walk up sideways to avoid injury. Make sure you're always looking after the floor as well. Watch where you're going. It does not look good to trip. That was these ones. The black 7-inch heel with the gorgeous red hearts in the center. You should all get your sweethearts a pair because they are definitely going to love you for this. I hope you liked the video. Be sure to subscribe and to hit the notification bell, and don't be afraid to leave some comments to tell us what you thought of it. We'll see you next time.